Hey everybody, what's going on? It is James here with Crypto Common Sense. Wanted to shoot a very short, very quick update for you. So we have a daily close coming up in 8 minutes, and I've just now noticed something that I hadn't actually noticed for some reason. I've talked a lot about the large descending triangle. I've talked a lot about the 4-hour symmetrical triangle that we broke out of earlier today. What I haven't talked about in any of my videos is the smaller descending triangle, and to be honest, I didn't even notice it until just now. I actually cleared all of my cookies. I refreshed my pages. I was having some freezing issues. And when I did, I had a clean chart. And sometimes a clean chart's a good thing. It's like, all the misconceptions and preconceptions are gone. And I was like, wait a minute, this looks like a descending triangle, right? That started back on August 6th. So this is a daily chart. I wanted to point this out very quickly. We basically had this downward sloping line with lower highs. We had this horizontal line that had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touches, right? Where it acted as support. I think it's a very valid horizontal line. And basically what we have is this yellow line lines up with right around $9,888. So if we get a daily close in the next 7 minutes underneath that line, I think this descending triangle is in play on a medium time frame, meaning that would give us a price target. If we measure it from the top to the bottom, it's $2,431. That would give us a rough price target. It's not exact. You can say it's a couple dollars off, somewhere around $7,425. And if you look, we draw this horizontal purple line, we can see that, oh boy, look, it lines up damn near perfect with our previous level of support from back here in May and June. All right, so that's going to be my medium term target for right now. Also keep in mind that we are again about to close in about 6 minutes, and we are about to close underneath this large descending triangle. That is the triangle that lines up with, whoops, not that one. That is the descending triangle that lines up with this price triangle right here, okay, where we have a horizontal line right down here. Okay, not looking good if you're a bull. It's looking really good if you're a bear. And in fact, on this daily close, I was looking for a bounce up to around 10,000 before I tried to open a swing short. But it's very likely that I'll start hunting for a short if we can get any kind of bounce at all to relieve some of these oversold conditions. Even if it's only up to 98.50 or 9,900, I will be hunting for a short setup in that area. So super happy right now, but I will point out one thing, and I want to be full disclosure and not be too biased here. While I am super bearish, while I am very excited and very confident that we are going to hit these targets, first the mid 7,000s, probably get some kind of bounce off of that, and then hopefully go lower. I do want to point out that it's absolutely possible that this is actually going to put in the same structure we had over here, where we had big drop, up, higher low, and then we put in a W and went higher. And if we look, our low on this candle was 9,470. Our low on this candle so far is 9,522. So it's entirely possible that this is actually what we're getting ready to do. Okay, so yes, I'm bearish, yes, I'm confident, and yes, I'm very excited. I can't even hide that fact, but I do want to be sure that everyone understands that this could still go either way. It's still absolutely possible that this is one huge fake out, and that this is one huge bear trap, and that in the end we actually end up putting in a double bottom and just blasting up north. Okay, not super concerned about that. There's all kinds of levels that would have to get through for that to become a reality, and again, we'd have to break out of the big descending triangle, yada yada yada. But really in this video, I just want to quickly point out that I did just spot that smaller descending triangle, the one that's basically right here. Its target's going to be somewhere down around $7,400 to $7,450, somewhere in that ballpark. I will actually have bids in a little above that area. I won't be quite that greedy. I'll probably have bids in somewhere around $7,600 unless something changes. Like I mentioned in today's earlier video, I'll be looking to sell the bounces and then, short on the way back down, assuming that actually happens. There's no guarantees. That's just the way I'm going to play it. All right. Please remember, I am literally some guy sitting in a spare bedroom. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Nothing in this video is trade advice. You should always do your own due diligence and seek out professional investment advice before making any type of investment in cryptocurrency. This is James with Crypto Common Sense. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, you can check the description for links where you can follow me on TradingView, Twitter, and also where you can join my free Facebook group. This is James with Crypto Common Sense. Trade safe.